Hello, Paul here from EMD Motorsport at Carrrra. I've got this Porsche 964 I'm working on today. So we actually removed the front diff to do the actual seal. This is the front diff. Bit of a mission this job because the actual four-wheel drive system, there's no room to get to the actual bolts on top. These ones. So if you see, it's right here. We have this little, I made up a special tool to hold the whole front suspension in place while taking the front diff off without dropping any of the tunnel. This part here, the tunnel tube. Okay, so everything is still there in place and nothing has been moved. So when we finish, we just put it back up, and then it's all pretty much easier that way to line everything up. So it's leaking pretty bad from this one here, the rear, facing the rear of the actual car. Looks like someone's already maybe it's here, that part there, you see that seal there is original, so it's really hard. And we're doing the side seal as well, and that side seal there as well. And we're going to drain the oil, we're going to put new oil, diff oil, into the actual front diff, and then pretty much clean everything before we put it back. It's a pretty involved job, this one here. So many, lot of way you can do it, but I'm sure doing it this way because everything is still held in place. Alright, just a quick video to show you what we're doing today on this Porsche 964, and then we'll go from there. I might tell the customer to pick up the car sometime next week. I thought it's going to be just a little bit, take longer. That it's just a four-wheel drive system, there's no room to get to it, so it's very hard to get to that. So if you look inside there, so much oil in there. So I'm going to try to clean that tube as well, and then we'll go from there. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.